Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're going to test your Spanish with 100 basic words every beginner should know. Keep track of your score and tell us how you did in the comments. Let's begin. How do you say house?
Casa.
How do you say water?
Agua.
How do you say dog?
Perro.
How do you say cat?
Gato.
How do you say car?
Auto.
How do you say book?
Libro.
How do you say sun?
Sol.
How do you say moon?
Luna.
How do you say food?
Comida.
How do you say chair?
Silla.
How do you say table?
Mesa.
How do you say school?
Escuela.
How do you say apple?
Manzana.
How do you say milk?
Leche.
How do you say friend?
Amigo.
How do you say mother?
Madre.
How do you say father?
Padre.
How do you say brother?
Hermano.
How do you say sister?
Hermana.
How do you say baby?
Bebé.
How do you say teacher?
Maestro.
How do you say student?
Estudiante.
How do you say door?
Puerta.
How do you say window?
Ventana.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say shoe?
Zapato.
How do you say shirt?
Camisa.
How do you say pants?
Pantalón.
How do you say hand?
Mano.
How do you say foot?
Pie.
How do you say eye?
Ojo.
How do you say nose?
Nariz.
How do you say mouth?
Boca.
How do you say head?
Cabeza.
How do you say hair?
Pelo.
How do you say face?
Cara.
How do you say ear?
Oreja.
How do you say tooth?
Diente.
How do you say family?
Familia.
How do you say home?
Hogar.
How do you say city?
Ciudad.
How do you say street?
Calle.
How do you say park?
Parque.
How do you say store?
Tienda.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say bank?
Banco.
How do you say phone?
Teléfono.
How do you say computer?
Computadora.
How do you say TV?
Televisión.
How do you say music?
Música.
How do you say song?
Canción.
How do you say movie?
Película.
How do you say game?
Juego.
How do you say ball?
balón,
How do you say bicycle?
bicicleta,
How do you say bus?
autobús,
How do you say train?
tren,
How do you say airplane?
avión,
How do you say boat?
barco,
How do you say beach?
playa,
How do you say river?
río,
How do you say mountain?
montaña,
How do you say tree?
árbol,
How do you say flower?
flor,
How do you say bird?
pájaro,
How do you say fish?
pez,
How do you say horse?
caballo,
How do you say cow?
vaca,
How do you say chicken?
pollo,
How do you say pig?
cerdo,
How do you say goat?
cabra,
How do you say duck?
pato,
How do you say egg?
huevo,
How do you say bread?
pan,
How do you say rice?
arroz,
How do you say coffee?
café,
How do you say tea?
té,
How do you say juice?
jugo,
How do you say breakfast?
desayuno,
How do you say lunch?
almuerzo,
How do you say dinner?
cena,
How do you say day?
Día.
How do you say night?
Noche.
How do you say morning?
Mañana.
How do you say week?
Semana.
How do you say month?
Mes.
How do you say year?
Año.
How do you say time?
Tiempo.
How do you say clock?
Reloj.
How do you say work?
Trabajo.
How do you say Job?
Empleo.
How do you say happy?
Feliz.
How do you say sad?
Triste.
How do you say big?
Grande.
How do you say small?
Pequeño.
How do you say hot?
Caliente.
How do you say cold?
Frío.
How do you say fast?
Rápido.
How do you say slow?
Lento.
How do you say love?
Amor.
How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!